and welcome back to Outback Polaks. So Brisbane's out of lockdowns, but unfortunately the Sydney restrictions continue, and this has made it very hard to get Polish meats into Brisbane. Usually we have the monthly markets at Polonia for Cocos, but don't worry, we've got a saviour. Patricia from Cocos Annalie. Sorry, go right through.
All right.
All good, all good. Patricia from Cocos Annalie has always been fighting to get Polish food into Cocos, the 24-hour supermarket here in Annalie, and she's done some wonderful things. So tell us about what you've actually got us for the Brisbane people here in regards to meat.
So what we managed to do, we organized Uncle's Small Goods, which has got a 30-year history in Melbourne. Obviously, there was none before in Brisbane, so we're the only ones who can supply this. So we do have the Polish biała, surowa. Then we've got all the usual one, your krakowska, your rzeszowska, and black puddings, obviously, and polędwica, the kasles, the łososzowa, I believe we call it, and then hogs and a few other ones. Mainly it's all related to Polish. Everything is, it's got the names in English, but it definitely relates to Polish sausages because it's made by Polish company, Polish owned company.
And for someone that eats a lot of seafood, I see you've also got smoked trout.
I know, how crazy is this? And I bought one of those, beautiful, just melts in your mouth. So a whole trout, and he gets it and he smokes it at the premises there too. Yeah,
and actually, you know, smoked trout at the moment is about $16 to $17 each at Woolies, and it's not smoked and it's fresh. And this one is about $12. I just saw one for a whole smoked trout. So this is absolutely amazing. It's dirt cheap.
I know, crazy.
Yeah, I'm going to grab one on the way out.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah,
absolutely beautiful.
I've also noticed you've got a really good vegan section now as well.
I know, we do. We've been working on that for a very long time. So we've got a health food section, which is your dry section, but we built a vegan section to have a whole fridge filled with your cheeses, your kimchis, your small
Kapusta kiszona, sauerkraut.
Kapusta kiszona, exactly. Yeah, so all of it up there, even the pastas choices. So if you've got any problems with your dairies in your diet, obviously that would be your section to get things.
Fantastic. And we'll move into the sweets because I understand you've got some amazing sweets. So this belly loves its sweets. So let's go have a look at that. All right, candy lady, tell me what you've got to make us all fat and diabetic.
Okay. Polish fudges, obviously. Massive choices of chocolates, wafers, Dr. Gerard, which is very popular in Poland. If you don't know about it, obviously, orzeszki. We do have the Principolo still, ptasie mleczko, plenty of choices and flavors as well. All the Solidarność, śliwka, mela, goplana, kisiel, galaretka, all different kind of kasze. Paprikash, all those things that you all remember. Kubuś, plenty of kubuś this time. And we do have plenty of muszynianka. Either way, your flat one, which is everyone has been begging me for, which finally I'm trying to get it at every single delivery, a top up. So no one will be running out of the water. Your żywiec strój, obviously, pasztet. All of those things are back in stock, and there's more coming because I'm placing orders about every 2 weeks, and I'm always on top of it with the containers that are coming in.
Fantastic. I mean, this is amazing. This feels like a żabka or you know, like you go into a żabka in Poland or a little Polish version of 7-Eleven or you know, a small aisle in Tesco.
Yeah, that's it.
So this is fantastic. I'm so happy that you're continually supporting the Polish community and bringing in a lot of the international stuff. Obviously, I understand Cocos is a huge supermarket and it's been here for donkey years, but I've never seen so much Polish food here.
Yeah. This is the thing. I am trying to work as well on the prices at the same time. So to get bulk buys of your cucumbers and things and bring them down in cost. So this way, I am able to actually get it to Polish people for better price, not to pay the top dollar. Get your bargain. Bargain after bargain, as always.
And you know, and this is such a great thing, and you know, Cocos is open 24 hours a day, so it doesn't matter if you're working late, waking up early, just come in, it's open. And if you think there's something that we need to get, I mean, well, if you think there's something that Patricia needs to get, just message her and on Facebook
right.
or something
Yes,
like that, and
yes.
she'll do her best.
That's what I've been doing. I've been connecting with people through the Facebook messages, and they've been asking me questions, and I'm happy to do even the photos of the aisles or whatever they're looking for. So that's what I'm doing. That's how I am with everyone connected.
So thank you again, Patricia.
My
Fantastic.
pleasure.
I hope to see you
So
at
good
Cocos.
To see you again here
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Video
We've
shopping
tried
as
to come
always.
in and do these videos so many times, and it's just been
Yeah.
lockdown after restriction after lockdown,
Yeah.
and then you got sick.
That's right.
Yeah,
It's also light.
that's the excuse.
It is.
Super spreader, Patricia. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Thanks,
share.
guys.
And don't forget you can buy support our channel by buying us a coffee below. And we'll see you at the next market as well.
Perfect.
Yeah.
See you there.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye.